let's go to the nearest park in our place. So we're going to make photo shoot, char. So hindi natin palalagpasin guys ang moment na ito. So yun nga, because I'm from Philippines and this is my first time I see this real snow. It's very thick now this time. The weather is you know, there's a snowstorm today, so I wanna experience this real snow dropping, and then there's a thick snow at the forest. Those snow were stick on the tree. Oh my god, it's so amazing guys. Let's go and let's do this.
Bunny.
Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Ooh, look at this. Woo. Like this, 1, 2, 3.
Picture?
Picture.
Oh, I was. Standing?
Matalig guys. Grabe guys, ang ganda. Puro puti lang yung nakikita mo, buong kalawakan. Someone over there. What's this? Look at the tree.
Oh yeah.
So beautiful. Take a picture, John Bear, with the tree.
But it's not gonna be
Okay, wait,
because
wait,
you have to be
okay, oh.
really.
It's like that. It's tall. Okay, off it. Oh my God, nakikita nyo yan guys. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Ito nga guys yung mga Christmas tree. So ito lang yung mga nabubuhay tuwing may snow, tuwing winter guys. Sila lang yung nabubuhay na puno dito sa US. So we're home guys and we are really hungry. That's why we stopped by from the Costco and get some food that can cook for the air fryer. So we're going to try this air fryer gift from our housewarming to our friend. So let's go and try and unboxing for you guys. And wow, nice color gray. Oh my God. Oh no, Angie, may skastip pala. So crazy! Ang tanga-tanga ko, di ba guys? Sobrang excited lang akong gamitin.
You know how to use it?
Yeah. I have this in Singapore before. Okay. Yeah, and then lock it. Chicken. So, ito na nga siya guys. Susubukan na natin siya. So, we bought a chicken at Costco. And this is free cook na siya. So, we're gonna just use 390 temperature. And we're going to cook for 15 to 20 minutes until we're crispy. Wow. Look at that.
Maybe you're right. Maybe I do hope he finds me. Maybe a little bit more time, less time. This time I won't miss.
Wow, crunchy.